Hey world, what's up? Letter Traulsen, and that's the model number. There are 8 doors, there are 4 on one side. 8 doors, 4 on one, 4 here. There you go. 4 here, let me go down here. It's 4 on the other side. There's the condensing unit, we'll take a shot at that right now, but most of it, see that? Was the water jacket it had. This is a water cooled unit. They buy these in surplus and I fixed them up. Okay. There's the evap section. It has no top, so we have to make some type of top for it. And here's some of the wiring. Thermostat, low pressure control. And let's see if I get a picture of. There we go. There goes the condenser. It's wires, so here are the junctions, braze joints. And basically what we did was, I had this off an old walk-in cooler condenser. So I just bolted, it had holes, so I just bolted it down to the frame. So that's it. Rewired everything. The wire was rotted. So just rewired everything, as you can see here in the junction box. Main goes into the fans. Then one main goes here. Then there to the pressure switch. The pressure switch, it goes back here. That's the compressor wire. Turn it on. So I hope there's no power now, so I can't turn it on. So coming soon. Not bad, huh? Part 2. Got vacuum on it. Here's a PVC top. The gap, please. Cork tape. Seal it. There's the compressor pink up. Wire junction. Ground wire is connected. Go down here. There goes the junction. Here goes the top. Same thing. Cork tape. Seal it. So we're in the vacuum now. Charge it. See how it goes. Go down here again. There you go. Looking good for now. A little bit of paint. Paint up. Let's see how it goes. It's alive! It's alive, people. I went with 134A. The large compressor. Running. Everything's running. You hear the condenser fan. Pulling out that air. Let's go up and check the vitals, or the sense vitals like I call them. Discharge. Pretty hot there. Suction. Section's still a little warm. I just turned it on, so give it a break. But here it goes. See, it can be done. That's running. So when I tell you something no can't be fixed, we'll make it run.